So I've had a cursory look through the instructions. There's no real explanation, but it's just a diagram. So I've had a sort of quick look at it. Looks fairly self-explanatory. Now the first thing you need to do is take the guard off. It's here. This is also for tensioning the chain, I believe. So if I take that off, just screw it anti-clockwise. That just comes straight off there. That's it. So it's just got a little screw there. And you've got your guard, which will sit in there like that. But first of all, you need to put the chain on. Now I've just had a quick look at the chain. It's got a little picture there. There's no explanation on it, but it just shows you the direction which it should go. So if you just hold your chain up to it and then put it on the correct way. So the longer teeth is like that. So I'm going to turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. And it should just slot in. Let's give it how we want it first of all. So again, it's got two shaped blades on it. One of them's a smaller one, one's a bigger one, if that's the right way of looking at it. But it does show you clearly on the bar. So obviously when you put it on, just follow that. It's got little teeth inside the bar which will hold it in place. Obviously it's probably better to use gloves on it really, because obviously it can be pretty sharp. It is a chainsaw after all. As you can see, there's quite a bit of slack on it. I think we take the slack up on the front of it, like that, and then we can tension it once we've got it in position. So I just had another cursory look at the instructions. I think that the loose piece at the end goes around this piece of the chainsaw, like that. So you just hold it into place with your thumb if you can, and lock that in. Take a little bit of fiddling around with it to get it in. That's it, I think I've got it. So you want to have that going around the piece at the back there. That's where the motor's going to be, and it's going to drive the chain around. So you make sure you locate that on there. Just like that. It's a little bit fiddly, but once you put it in, you can then slide it into the slot, hold it with your hand, and then just put the cover back on and screw it down. And that's pretty much it.